Tired of staring at endless ServiceTitan training videos? Wish there was a magic button to bypass the whole ordeal? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because today we're diving deep into the art of skipping ServiceTitan training. But seriously, don't actually skip it. Pause for dramatic effect. Let's be real, ServiceTitan training is thorough. Like really thorough. It's like they're trying to turn you into a ServiceTitan operating cyborg. But who has time for all that? We've got businesses to run, appointments to book, and maybe even a life outside of work. Gasp. Now, before you grab your pitchfork and torch and head for ServiceTitan HQ, let me be clear. I don't recommend actually skipping the training. Trust me, I've seen the chaos that ensues when people try to wing it with ServiceTitan. It's like trying to fly a plane without knowing how to control the stick. But, let's be honest, some of the training can feel a bit redundant. And maybe, just maybe, there are some sneaky shortcuts to getting up to speed faster. Disclaimer. These shortcuts are not endorsed by ServiceTitan, and I am not responsible for any ensuing meltdowns. Shortcut number 1. The speed run method. This method involves watching the training videos at 2x speed. Yes, you'll sound like a chipmunk on helium, but you'll cover the material in half the time. Pro tip. Use the playback speed feature on YouTube and practice your best impression of a hyperactive squirrel. Shortcut number 2. The Cliff Notes approach. This is where you rely on your trusty sidekick, the internet. Search for ServiceTitan cheat sheets, quick start guides, or tips and tricks from other users. You'll find countless resources created by fellow ServiceTitan warriors who have already braved the training trenches. Shortcut number 3. The shadowing technique. Find a colleague who's already a ServiceTitan pro. Become their shadow. Observe how they navigate the system, ask questions, and pick their brains. You'll learn by doing and get real-world experience without having to sit through every single video. Shortcut number 4. The focus on your needs strategy. Don't waste time on modules that don't directly apply to your role. If you're a dispatcher, you probably don't need to know the ins and outs of technician scheduling, unless you're secretly plotting a takeover. Identify the most relevant training materials and prioritize those. Shortcut number 5. The gamification hack. Turn training into a game. Set small, achievable goals. Reward yourself for completing modules or mastering specific features. Maybe treat yourself to a coffee, a piece of cake, or a guilt-free nap after each victory. Pause for a mischievous grin. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The temptation to simply click through the training without actually watching it. Don't do it. ServiceTitan is a powerful tool, and understanding its nuances is crucial for your success. Besides, you'll probably get caught anyway. Your boss is smarter than you think. Instead of focusing on shortcuts, consider these tips for making the training more bearable. Break it down. Don't try to conquer the entire training program in one sitting. Break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. Find a study buddy. Team up with a colleague and make it a social event. You can quiz each other, share tips, and commiserate over the length of the videos. Take notes. Even if you think you'll remember everything, jot down key takeaways and create your own cheat sheet. Reward yourself. As mentioned before, celebrate your progress with small rewards to stay motivated. Look, I get it. ServiceTitan training can be a drag. But remember, it's an investment in your own success and the success of your company. By taking the time to learn the system properly, you'll become more efficient, more productive, and ultimately more valuable to your team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.